Guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly what trading products Puprime offer. Now, over on the website, they say they have over 1,000 plus trading products. So we're going to dive in and explain each and every one for you. Now, before I do, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Okay, here we have it, Puprime. All the links will be down in the description below for you to get involved and get started on your trading journey. But as we can see here, that in the middle of the screen, 1,000 plus trading products. Now, all we have to do is go up to trading and then trading products, and we can see that they have Forex, metals, indices, commodities, shares, EFTs, and also bonds. Now, if I were to click on trading products as the subheader, we can then go through and see. So we're going to start off with Forex, which is the largest and most liquid market in the world. Preferred platform being Forex, which me personally, I do trade Forex myself, and I am looking into a couple of others. But what is Forex? Okay, so the Forex market is the world's largest market with more than $7 trillion worth of currencies traded each and every day. Okay, the market is open 24 hours and 5 days a week. Now, what we can see here is live Forex price ticker. Okay, so this is the spreads. So, for example, USD CAD, which is the United States dollar to the Canadian dollar, has a spread of 0.1 to 0.0, which is an unreal figure. You do not get to see that in many places without paying a hefty premium. Okay, so why do you trade CFDs on Forex with Puprime? Okay, so they have a flexible leverage on major Forex pairs, top tier liquidity, low trading costs, which we just saw being the 0.0 to 0.1 pip movement, unparalleled support, which, I mean, with all the any issues that I've had or any questions, support has been unreal. They have a full 24/7, so it's available in every country that they do offer. Secure trading and advanced platforms. Okay, so that was Forex. Now let's take a look into indices, which is another growing industry as well. I've personally started looking into indices as well, looking at the S&P 500 or even NASDAQ. But what are indices? Indices are composed of a basket of stocks, bonds, and or other assets that represent the performance of particular industry, sector, or geographical regions. Okay, so we can see on the price ticker as well. So for example, a NAS 100 has a 15 pip spread, but then you look at USDX only has a 0.5. So this all depends on the symbol as well, because some spreads will be the equivalent of 1.3, for example, on a different pair. It's very difficult to understand which ones, but I know full well that Education Inside Puprime actually breaks it down completely for you. Okay, so why would you trade CFDs on the indices? Basically, you get the extended indices trading hour, which is 23-hour trading, leverage indices trading, 0 commissions, free demo account, competitive spreads, and your protected funds. Now we've looked at Forex and indices. Times to look at metals, which is another massive industry with gold and silver making the way. So metals like gold are one of the oldest forms of currency. Trading gold is appealing. We can see down here XAU USD is gold, and a spread of 0.4 is ridiculous for gold. I personally didn't see that anywhere else other than on Puprime at the moment. So if you are a gold trader and you're watching this, definitely take a good close look at this video plus multiple other videos that I've done, because the spreads and everything that go with it will just give you that edge. So CFDs on metals with Puprime, you get deep liquidity, flexible leverage, trade the news, round the clock support, low cost gold trading, which I just touched on, and multiple ways to trade. Now, the ones we haven't touched are commodities, shares, and bonds. Okay, so we're going to take a look in commodities. Commodities, CFD trading. So what are the commodities? Commodities are the lifeblood of our global economy and one of the world's oldest forms of trading, existing before currency, bonds, and or stocks. Okay, so live commodity price ticker, they would include coffee, sugar, gas oil, CL oil, for example. You see the spreads here. You see sell, buy, and the change. The amount of percentage that it changes is obviously very minimum. Why would we trade CFDs? You get access to more markets, leading commodity prices, take advantage of volatility, unparalleled support, trade cash, commodities, and leverage trading on oil. Okay, so we've got shares, which is obviously that NASDAQ that I was talking to you about earlier. If we head on into shares, it will be, which you've probably picked up on, very, very similar. Okay, so shares are units of equity, ownership in a company or asset. This could take form of mutual funds, limited partnerships, or real estate investment trusts. Okay, so we see the spread and the live shares price ticker there. You can see that the price is still, all of them, below 0.3% of a move, which is ridiculous. Now, why would you trade shares with PU Prime? It's because they offer trade global companies, no commissions. They can trade the global shares, amplify your positions, practice trading shares, and go long or short in whatever one you decide. Okay, so finally we're going to look at bonds. Okay, so bonds, what bonds are, is issued by governments or companies. Bonds are debt instruments that allow their issuers to borrow money from many individual investments. Okay, so looking at the live bonds price ticker, we can see that all of these are less than 0.1%. Even some are 0.05 is the lowest we see there. And you've got the likes of EUB5Y, you've got long gilt, you've got EUB10Y, which is obviously the year. So you can obviously take a close look at them. I'm not very familiar with these, but I know that a few of my friends in the industry do actually trade bonds. But the reason why is because that you get the industry low trading costs, you trade the difference in prices, you take advantage of the leverage up to 1 to 100. You can trade global bonds, speedy fund withdrawals, and you get that deep liquidity that we've seen many times before with the other trading products. But there we have it, guys. That is all of the trading products that PU Prime offer. Now, obviously, there was a lot to take in there. And obviously, if you are a Forex trader or you are shares, bonds, commodities, obviously PU Prime has it all. You don't often get a broker company that offers all of this wide variety. Of course, we've just seen it's over 1,000 different products. I couldn't go through every single pair because this video would be about 30 minutes long. That's how much they do. But do me a big favor, hit that link down in the description, set up your demo account, just try it out. There's no harm. Get set up a demo account like Monopoly Money, try it out, and then come back and tell me I was right. But thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.